Yeah, come on, put your shoes on, Ayla. Where are you guys going?
We're going to Rock's house.
Hmm?
Oh my god. So Uncle Rock's house. And then me and Rihanna's Friday.
Play date will be later. Uh-oh.
2
Uh-oh.
hours we
Look at this
work.
girl.
Oh my god.
Sama ka? You're not going, Didi. Eh? Kasya na sa kanya yan. Bigay yan ni Michelle. Nung first birthday niya.
Why is it the wrong way?
Is that the right shoes, Kuis?
Definitely not the wrong way. I'll just
I'll get your shoes, mate. It's in the
yeah,
in the laundry. Yeah, that's the wrong way, Ate. Please fix. See? I washed it. Now it's clean. It's gonna be dirty again. Don't jump on muddy puddles, huh?
Okay.
Actually, up to you. Wrong foot, wrong foot. Wrong foot.
Yeah.
What are you gonna do there?
I'll film my cousin and Daddy said the cousin's coming here.
Are they coming?
Yeah, Daddy said.
Really?
Yeah.
The small cousins are coming? Or
No, the big cousins.
who?
Like Eon and Phil.
Are they? Oh, that's gonna be great. Oh, you're gonna have so much fun.
Yeah.
Okay. Go, go.
Okay, I'm running it.
Yeah.
I'm running for that.
Yeah, you can do it. Come on, they're already out.
Oh no.
Yeah, waiting for you. Hey! How about you? Iwan kami ni Didi.
Actually, I'll do that.
So, today is Sabado. Walang gymnastics kasi si Ayla kasi holiday din ng gymnastics niya.
Bye, Mom.
Bye!
Bye.
So, bye to Kuya. Aww. He wants to hug you, Didi. Takbo din si Didi. Akala niya sama talaga siya.
Bye.
Bye, guys. Say bye to Daddy.
You.
Aww. Bye, Kuya.
Bye, Mom.
Seatbelt, Ayla. Ayla, take off your cardigan first. What does she want?
Now it's gone.
What does she want?
The lip balm.
Where is it?
It was just on the floor
No, but-
yesterday. Now it's gone.
Ah, okay. I'll have to look for it then. I'll give it to you later.
Bye, Mom.
Come on, seatbelt.
Bye, Mommy.
Bye. Love you.
Mommy.
Here.
Thank you, Indy. Huh?
Daddy.
I can't do it. Yum.
What did you do? Is it too tight?
All good? All good, Ayla?
Indy again.
Love you, baby.
Mommy, Indy again.
Okay, bye-bye. Bye, Dada. Oh, Daddy.
What about Isla? Go to Isla.
Bye, beautiful.
No, wait.
Bye, ate. Bye. Take care. Drive safe, Bob.
We've finally gone to Maddie's house.
Yay.
Let's learn the colors together. Red. Purple. Yellow.
Good job. I need to poo, okay? Mommy poo? Balik siya ng balik sa camera. Gusto niya talaga ipa-on. Marunong siya. Sabi niya, hindi naka-on yan. Kung ano-ano nalang ginagawa niya. Ganyan siya, sasayaw siya. Tapos chine-check niya yung camera kung naka-on ba. Kung ano-ano lang pinagagawa. May ginagawa si Mami. I'm checking something. Yeah! I know. Nasa phone lang ako, guys. May chine-check lang ako habang siya ay naglalaro at chine-check ang camera lagi kung naka-happy day na ba. Babalik na naman yan. At nag-work na nga siya. Napapansin niya, busy si Mami. Oh, grabe naman makababa. Pinatuwad man. Sabi niya, ako din, be. Work din ako, be. You right? Yan. Siya lang kumuha ng block na yan. Upo siya sa block, tapos mag-work siya. Eh, my smart baby D! Hi! I wanna show the guys, okay? Say, guys, I'm working. Oh, okay. Do you want me to put it here? You're working, good working. Hindi siya nakikita. Sumasayaw siya. Sabi ko dito ako magre-ready kasi ang gulo-gulo niya dun. Let's put sunscreen. So today is Sabado. Ang aga nung nagising ni Dan, guys. I think he woke up madilim pa siguro. Nagpunta siya sa Anzac service. If you're from Australia, alam niya yan. And then, pagdating niya ng bahay, diretso niya kuha yung mga bata kasi pupunta siya sa bahay ng kuya niya. Yung kuya niya nakatira na sa hills. So, punta silang hills. Nagpapatulong kasi yung kuya niya to, I think, para i-put up yung ano nila, basketball ring. Feeling ko like heavy duty, like malaking basketball ring talaga tong ipuput up nila. Kasi pupunta din si Tristan. So, the boys are helping. And gusto niya isama yung mga bata. Kasi si Ayla, gusto niya pumunta para makipag-hangout sa mga pinsan niya. Sabi niya, finally, I'm going to Mary's house. Ay, maganda. Parang iba yung ano dito, salamin. Malaki din naman yung salamin ko. Doon may ilaw pa. Dito parang, ang laki-laki talaga ng salamin. Ang laki kasi talaga ng salamin namin dito. Ayan. Galing. Nakita ko lahat di. Malaki din naman yun. Ang laki din nun, oh. Laki din yung salamin natin dyan. Nanibago lang siguro ang aking pagmumuka. Ang dami din palang drawer dito din, oh. Alis kasi kami ni D, soon. Meron kami ipipick up na food. Nag-order na naman ako ng food, guys. Doon din sa Pinoy AU Adelaide may nag-post ng something. So, gusto ko itry yung pagkain niya. Iba naman to sa mga na-orderan natin last week. Yung kuya na na-orderan namin last time, yung dinuguan, masarap yun siya. Hindi ko lang siya nakitang nag-post. Hey! Natatimingan ko lang din kasi hindi kasi ako nag-check araw-araw. Alam mo yun? Nahanap ko na pala. Na-vlog ko ba na nahanap ko na to? Kasi ilang vlog kung na-edit na hindi ko to nahanap. Tapos may playdate kami with Liana mamayang alauna naman. So dapat matulog si D now. Matulog siya now. Kailangan nga namin ulit. Dapat matulog ka lang sa car dito tapos i-transfer kita. Kasi before alauna dapat gising ka na naman, magpa-park tayo. Hi guys! Sabi niya ang layo niyo guys. No! How did you do that? Oh my goodness! Tell the guys what you did. What did you do? Tell the guys! You guys! She broke my lock. So yung drawer ko, 3 drawer dyan sa makeup area. Papakita ko sa inyo, Didi. Anong ginawa mo, Day? Look! Guys, look! Look! She broke it! Ganito yan eh. Ayan oh. Lock. What have you done? Batang Bael. Ang lakas-lakas mo kasi din. Ito lang yung nag-iisang may luck ko kasi nga mga ano ko yan dyan, kaalahasan.
Mommy!
How did you do that, Bob? Mommy, try and fix. Ay, ma-open niya talaga. Shoot balls. I need to change na. Ano ba yan? Ayoko na lang talaga sa buhay na to. Kailangan ko yung ayusin. You can't open that. Hindi pwede mo yung ma-open. Do we still have locks? Or baka tinapon ko na lahat ng lock natin? Batang Bael. Ganda ng mirror din, no? Ang laki, no? Do you wanna get ready here like that? Ooh! You ready to go? Sabi ni Kuya, magiging ready daw yung food natin in 11:30. Sana pala inagahan ko. Paano ba yan? Do we have a lock? I need a lock for that, Baba. Hindi pa nga natin nalilinis yung mga bakas ng mga previous locks. Ito, oh, ang dami pa dito. Naiinis ako pag nakikita ko. Look. Look. So many. Pinagtatanggal-tanggal ko na yan nung okay na si Arlo. Yung hindi na nag-open-open si Arlo. Tingnan nyo, ang galing talaga mag-open. Pati yung drawer na yan na wala namang, actually, wala namang handle lahat ng mga drawers namin. Pero ang galing kasi. Galing nito. Tingnan nyo to. Sleepwear ni Mami. Do you wanna do a closet tour? Yeah? Do you wanna give the guys a closet tour?
Yeah?
Yeah? Alright, let's go downstairs. Ang dami mong gagawing kalat dito. Let's find a lock. Para kasalanan ko ata. Paiba-iba ka ng filming setup, ha? Paiba-iba ka, ha? Nasira tuloy ni D yung ano mo. Lock mo dyan. Ito na yung last step. And tapos na tayo dito. Baba na tayo, guys. Juicy Lasting Tint from Romand. Shade nito Bear Grape. This is so nice. I love it on me. So good. Yan. Alright, let's go na. Tara na. Did you shoot, Mama? Bang, bang! Let's go. Oh, perfume. Something spray para... Ito na lang. Busin natin to. Let's go. Let's go downstairs. Look for a child lock. Daming kalat dito, di. Ay, meron! Akong... We still have it! I didn't throw it. And you know what? I still have this package. I know what's inside. I just haven't opened it yet. Pero ang tagal na nito, guys. I think someone sent me a link to this. And sabi ko, oh my gosh, that is so perfect. I'm gonna buy that. I bought it straight away. And I must have forgotten about it kasi hindi ko siya ginamit at all. It is perfect for our drawers daw kasi. Kasi it's an invisible magnetic lock. Oh my gosh. What if this is the best invention ever? Tapos hindi ko siya ginamit. Kaloka. Ilang taon na to dito, guys. Nandito lang siya sa drawer ko sa kitchen. I don't know if the illustration makes sense, but it's magnetic. Yeah, may mga stickies na naman kasi. Ayoko na ng mga ganyan. Yeah, gusto kong linisin muna yung mga old. Wait ha. Oh my gosh, sayang naman, oy. No, I don't want to. Malapit na si Indy maka-move on sa stage na yan eh. I don't wanna do that. Ang dami pa sana, sayang, Sana nakita ko yan before ko to pinagagamit tong mga to. But I also don't know how effective that is. So that's okay. Let's move on. So siguro binili ko yan nung one si Arlo nung nag-open na siya. So well over 3 years na yan sa akin. So it's 10:37. Alis kami dito ni Indy ng 11:10. So, I still have time, but I don't wanna edit. Kasi hindi din ako makaka-edit ng ayos ng gising siya. I have laundry going already, so I'm just waiting for that to finish para ma-transfer ko siya sa dryer at masampay ko yung iba. You're right. Nag-check ako guys ng mga lugar na pwede naming puntahan from Philippines. So, from Cebu specifically. Kasi nabook na pala namin yung aming Philippines trip. Matagal ko na siyang nabook. Way before kami pumunta ng Bali. Nabook ko na siya. Remember when I said sa vlog ko na I was waiting for the credit card company to increase my limit para mabook ko na siya. A day or two after I filmed that vlog, binook ko na siya. Kasi as soon as they increased my limit, binook ko na agad siya. Yeah, yun lang talaga kasi yung hinihintay ko. Para nga magamit ko yung credit card for free travel insurance. Yun yung habol ko talaga sa credit card. Para maka-free travel insurance kami as a family. And you know what? The day after ko siyang binook, like na-charge na yung card ko, natanggap ko na yung booking confirmation, okay na ang lahat. The day after that, nag-email yung credit card company saying, we have changes to our travel insurance. Tatanggalin na namin ang aming travel insurance as of May of 2026. So, travels after May 2026, hindi na kami magbibigay ng complimentary travel insurance. Papalitan namin siya ng phone insurance. Sabi ko, my goodness, these freaking people! Naiinis ako. Kasi yun yung habol ko. Family insurance is expensive. We get travel insurance every time we travel. Nagamit ko siya for our Bali kasi our Bali was April and May nga nila tatanggalin. So, nagamit ko pa siya for our Bali. Pero hindi ko na siya magagamit sa aming Philippines trip or kung may trip man kaming mangyayari before that, well, kung mayroon man, hindi ko nagagamitin yung credit card na yun. Naiinis ako kasi I was so close to using our debit card kasi every time na check ko yung flights papuntang Pinas, tumataas siya guys. Kaya nga lang, yung limit ko kulang. Inoon, okay pa siya, nakakabayad pa siya. Hindi naman maliit, parang yung limit ko nun was 7K. Pina-increase ko siya into 10K para makover yung flight tickets namin kasi ang mahal na ng tickets namin guys, lalo na ngayon na nagmahal na ng mga bilihin, nagmahal na yung flights, lahat na nagmahal. Tapos, 5 pa kami na. Si Indy may bayad na talaga kasi may seat na siya. By the time na uwi na kami ng Pilipinas, 2 na kasi siya nun. Siyempre, ilalagay mo yung magiging edad niya sa time na magta-travel kayo. May bayad na talaga siya. So, hindi na kasya yung 7 grand. As soon as na-increase nila yung limit ko, right there and then, binuko agad yung flights. Kasi meron na kaming napiling flights, ganun. The day after that, sabi nila, tatanggalin namin yung travel insurance. So, whatever. Magbabayad kami ng travel insurance for December na alis namin. But that's okay. That's okay. Wala na tayong magagawa. Hinahanap ko ngayon, or yung mga tinitingnan ko ngayon, is yung pupuntahan namin. Plano kasi namin pumunta somewhere. Like, yung country na malapit lang sa Philippines. So, yung options namin are Korea, Taiwan, Vietnam is there. Kaya lang, ayoko kasi ng may stop. Gusto ko sana direct flight from Cebu. Sa ngayon, yung nakikita ko na mas convenient para sa amin na from Cebu direct to that country is Taiwan. So, mayroong Cebu to Taipei na direct flight. We were thinking Vietnam, Japan, Korea. Kaya lang, nina-narrow down namin siya na mas maikli sana yung flight time kasi manggagaling kaming Cebu tapos uuwi na naman kami ng Cebu tapos from Cebu balik kami ng Australia. Hindi ko pa siya mabukbuk kasi hindi pa final. May mga stops kasi. Kung pupunta kami ng Vietnam, may stop kasi siya sa Manila. So mapapahaba na yung flight time. Gusto ko sana direct flight. Ayaw namin ng Singapore kasi syempre nakapunta na kami doon maraming beses na. Ayaw namin ng Japan. Kasi gusto namin kapag Japan mahaba talaga. May mga ibang options naman like Thailand. Pero nakapunta na kasi kami ng Thailand. Taiwan hindi pa namin napuntahan. So right now, Taiwan is number 1 on the list. Ba hindi ko kasi alam kapag December, January ba mag-iiba ba yung flights? Like may magde-direct ba? Alam mo yun? So hindi ko siya mabook-book kasi baka ang advance ng booking natin. Tapos kapag malapit na, baka may mga mag-open ng flights na mga direct. Alam mo yun? So, ang sure ball namin sa ngayon is uwi talaga kami ng Pilipinas ng December. Yun, book na talaga. Okay na yun. Nabook ko ba yung namin? Singapore accommodation. Wait, saka. Yes, nabook ko na din yung Singapore accommodation namin, guys. But knowing Singapore Airlines, they will change our flights again. So, yeah. Gusto ko sana kasi ma-sort out na yung Philippines na trip. Like, yung mga accommodations, and yun nga yung extra country na gusto namin puntahan. Gusto ko na siya ma-sort out para makamove on ako sa April next year namin na trip na naman. Maghahanap na naman ako ng kung saan kami pupunta for April next year. Not April actually, Easter. Easter is not April. March yung Easter next year. Pero yeah, kailangan ko nga munang unahin tong isa. Huwag ka munang mag-isip-isip na kung saan-saan. But yeah, kung may mga suggestions kayo guys na direct flight ha, from Cebu to somewhere, mas prefer talaga namin direct flight para mabilis lang. Yeah, kung saang country yun, please let us know. So, naiba na talaga yung plano namin kasi gusto sana namin mag-Dubai. Hindi na talaga. So, pag uwi namin galing Philippines early this year, after New Year's, diba? Pag uwi namin ng Pilipinas, sabi ni Dan, mag-Philippines na lang tayo ulit. Pero, pupunta tayo ng ibang bansa while nasa Pilipinas tayo. Like, yung trip na yun, dadagdagan natin ng isa pang country na malapit lang. Yun yung naisip na talaga namin. Before pa yung gulo, before pa nangyari to lahat. So, alam na namin na yun yung mangyayari. Alam namin na Dubai is not happening this year. So, let me know if you have any suggestions. Is Didi ready? Yeah? Andyan ka na naman, ba't di ko maiwasan? So we're off to pick up the food. We are home. Actually, kanina pa kami guys. Tulog siya sa car kanina, pa uwi kami. Tinry kong i-transfer, wala. Ayaw matulog. Hindi itong batang bailan ng ulo ay. So ito yung in-order natin kay Kuya. Lechon kawali na 500 grams. Laing guys. Masarap to ilagay yung lechon kawali sa laing, no? And then, ano to? What's this? Did I order biko? Did I? I did! Oh, I ordered biko! Oh my gosh, that looks good! Wait, look! Very espeso. Like, very concentrated ng biko. Hindi malabnaw ba? Biko with latik yan. And then I also ordered pork and beef empanada. May nakamain na nito. Yung mag-ama ko, si Ayla Arlo at saka si Dan, gusto daw nito. Kasi they're still not home and we have a 1 p.m. with Liana. So it's 12:21. Ang bango! Ang bango ng empanada. That's our rice. I know! Happy day! Let's eat! Parang gusto kong kumain ng empanada, babe. Medyo mainit-init pa konti. No rice. Okay. Oh, ang sarap niyan. Sarap ng pastry. I'll give you rice. Right. Rice and laing you want? Try mo na, hey. Try. It's good, right? Let mommy feed you. I'll just feed you. I mean, sit down here. Sarap ng empanadas. Yeah. May tulog. Diba? Tingnan mo tumaka. Excited ako sa biko. Nag-order pala ako biko. Yum? Wait sabi. Mainit. Ininit ko yung rice eh. You want yours? Hala, mabubusog ako sa empanada, guys. Si Indy din. Good. What? I'm gonna show the guys. Yummy empanada. May cheese din. Sarap. So yummy. Yummy. So we are just getting stuff ready para pagdating nila ready na ang lahat. This is a friendship necklace. Isa for Ayla's best friend and isa for her. So let's put that in the bag. And then Daddy asked me to get him his jumper and socks because he might go to the foodie after. Kasi after namin mag-park, mag-ano pa daw kami, magmakas. Yun yung plano ng mga daddy. Yeah, Daddy? Daddy's jumper. He said, red jumper.
Daddy.
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 And then socks.
Daddy.
Socks. Say socks.
Orange.
And then let's get his shoes.
Orange.
Yeah, let's go. Ready? Come on.
Where?
Happy day. Oh, do you want to bring happy day? Okay. Ikaw, sinisira mo yung pa-aesthetic ko. Happy day. Oh, ni Lincoln. Umupo siya, guys. Umupo siya. Let's go. Okay, dali na nga lang yung happy day. Tara, tara, tara. Oh, I need to change you. I'll change you. Yeah, change clothes. Alright, let's go upstairs. Uh-oh. No, upstairs. I need to change your clothes. Silly mommy. Mommy forgot. Say silly. How was your trip to Uncle Rock's, guys?
Good.
What did you guys do?
I ate some lollipops. I ate some snacks.
Really?
Yeah.
Did you see their animals?
Yeah, I saw the chickens. Yeah. And then chickens and then Louie was he was so big and he's the youngest. And
He's big now?
Yeah, he's so big.
Is he bigger than
Milo,
Coco?
Yeah. And Milo chased the chickens.
Milo was there too?
No, and Milo chased the chickens.
Oh, wow.
No, Mommy, Milo chased the chickens.
Not everyone that, you don't have to find the army to be best friends.
Wait, let me see.
Last time I go.
Yeah, no, it says best friends.
Hello.
It started to wobble, so it was on the road.
Aww.
You can go by yourself.
Well done, Kuys. He did it. Kinailangan niya umakyat dun eh. Ah, you guys. I can hear the zapping.
Yeah, no.
Oh. Ready? Steady? Whee! My goodness. Alright, Alo, stand. Careful, Alo. Ready? That's not very safe, Indy. Hello guys, gabi na. Si Dan nagpunta ng fruity kanina pa guys, siguro mga 2 and a bit hours ago na. So, after ng park, pupunta sana kami ng Macas pero hindi kami natuloy. Umuwi na lang kami. So, umuwi din si Dan kasi may time pa siya. Yun nga, mga 4 something, umalis na siya, pumunta siyang fruity. Kain tayo dragon fruit. Sabi niya, red daw siya. So, I'm not sure what that means. Kung red lang talaga siya kasi red yung balat niya or baka red yung loob. Oh! Guys, red yung loob! Ito yung nabili ni Dan sa Central Market. Dun sa city ba?
Mommy, have some more.
Sige, have some more.
Mommy, I can't find it.
It's at the bottom, kuya. You want this, Didi? I'll give you some, baby. I know. I know. Milk? That's not milk. That's Kuya's water. I'll give you milk.
I did it.
You did it?
I actually did it.
Good job, Kuys. It is red indeed. Yum! Oh my gosh, look at that color. That is like very, like magenta. Right? Do you want some? Mm. Give me your bowl.
It's not Try lots of miles. It's the reason one ain't free too.
They're having so much fun. Sobrang worth it nitong mga blocks na to, guys. As in, we've had it for years now.
I think for my third birthday.
Third birthday? Yeah, we've had these blocks for so long.
I know. That's why I
Yeah.
said get a new one.
Huh? Why? You've got everything that you need. You've got more than enough. No, it still works. It's not broken. If it breaks, we'll get you a new one, but it's not broken at all.
Look, under here it's a bird right here.
Is it?
Under a little bird.
No, not the school book. Not the school book. Thank you very much. Alright, just play with ate. Naka-on yung footy, guys. And, my gosh, finally we're winning. Sana. Oh, yun na yun. That's the end of the third quarter. That's good. So, score namin 69. Yung kabila, 45. So, we're winning. Yeah, we're winning still.
Okay.
Yay! Hopefully we win. We need a win.
We have 66 shots.
We got 69. That's the score. We got 69. Nag-i-edit ako habang masaya lang yung dalawa. Hindi ako tinatawag ni Di, hindi ako kinukuha ni Di. Masaya lang siya sa ate niya eh. Itong batang to. Naka-edit ako ng 17 minutes. Happy day? I'll give you some. Yeah. Sus. Nakatawa. Lumapit na siya sa akin. Tapos na yung laro nila ni ate. Bite? Yeah, bite. Good job! Good job. Yummy no? Very yummy. Ate, kuya, do you want watermelon grapes or what do you want?